Here is the Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone with me. This is the box. It's very compact and even the packaging is very sleek and compact. So let's unbox it. This packaging comes in grey and black color variant. So I like it. Here is the handset as soon as you unbox it. So we'll just switch it on and keep it aside. Apart from that, let's see what else we have inside. So here is this paper box. First you get the SIM ejector pin at the back, and once you open it up, you get the charging cable. It's a Type-C charging cable on both the ends. Apart from that, you get some paperwork here. So let's keep it inside and talk about the handset solely. So I'm keeping it aside now. Now talking about the color variants, you get 3 color variants here: phantom white, phantom black and green. So clearly you can see we have the white color variant, and oh my goodness, the phone is so sleek, compact, and it fits in your palm very nicely. I like the grip also. Now talking about the back panel, it has got this matte finish and it gets bare minimum fingerprint smudges with Samsung branding given here. The sides are of metal. You can see the finishing is of metal, and below you have the speaker grill and the Type-C charging port, SIM ejector tray, the volume buttons, and the power button is given here. So talking about the camera, it houses a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor. Then you have a 10 megapixel telephoto sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor with a flash which is given. So let's switch it on. Here is the screen, and I like the display. I mean, Samsung is always known for its AMOLED panel. So here you get a 6.1-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate, and you also get protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Talking about the processor, it packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and comes in 2 variants. The first one is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The second one is 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Talking about the Android experience, you get the latest Android 12 here, and the selfie camera is of a 10 megapixel. So you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera here. And talking about the battery, you have a 3700 mAh battery with a 25-watt charging support. The phone is very light, I must tell you. It just weighs 167 grams, and it doesn't look very tall in your hand and perfectly fits in your palm. So that's all about the Samsung Galaxy S22. Thanks for watching this video.